Today we're going to be talking about the African savanna ecosystem. We'll let you know what it is, who lives there, and how energy moves through the food web. We're also going to be talking about the threats that the ecosystem faces and what we can do as human population to conserve it.
Let's get started. The African savanna is a tropical grassland. Located close to the equator, the savanna experiences warm temperatures year-round. However, although temperatures are high, the savanna has two seasons. The wet season, which lasts 6 to 8 months and sees a large amount of rain, and the dry season, which is 4 to 6 months and sees little to no rain. In terms of visual appearance, the savanna is very flat and covered in multiple different types of grass, while the trees are extremely dispersed throughout, which allows for the sun to access the ground.
The savanna is covered in grass and trees, which are the producers in this ecosystem. They have the ability to provide their own energy and nutrients through sunlight. Types of grass include Rhodes grass, red oats grass, star grass, and lemongrass. In terms of trees, the acacia tree is very prominent throughout the African savanna and is described by its unmistakable umbrella shape as seen in this photo.
Another producer within the African savanna is the baobab tree, which stores water between the bark and the meat of the tree, which allows it to withstand harsh environmental conditions. All of the producers within the African savanna possess characteristics such as drought resistance and fire resistance.
The savanna is home to many large herbivores. Some of these herbivores include zebras, giraffes, gazelles, wildebeest, and elephants, which play an important role in the ecosystem and is a keystone species. They all eat the producers we were just talking about.
Secondary consumers in the African savanna are omnivores and carnivores. These include, but are not limited to, cheetahs, lions, leopards, snakes, hyenas, crocodiles, and wild dogs. They feed on both producers and primary consumers. Most wildlife in the African savanna has become critically endangered due to hunting, poaching, and human-animal conflict. To be specific, rhinos, which are a key herbivore in the African savanna, are being hunted for their horns, while elephants are being hunted for their tusks and for ivory.
Human-animal conflict is a threat because elephants are being killed as a result of them invading human space and human farms. Some other environmental threats include climate change, farming practices, deforestation, erosion, and overgrazing. For poaching and hunting, we want to make sure everyone living around the ecosystem is aware of what their action can cause, which is the extinction of animals and the disruption of ecosystems.
There are many organizations that are working to preserve the African savanna, whether it be through communications with the government or educating the surrounding communities. There has also been national parks put in place to provide a safe space for the ecosystems to flourish. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something.